I'm constructing a square and showing you how on screencast. So first thing you need to do is make a line. I'll just do from -9 to 9. Okay. Then you need to make a point on your line. So I'm going to do this middle point, and I'm going to go to 3. This is 3. Okay, and then I'm going to make another circle where this is the radius of it, the end of the point where the circle touches the line. Okay, and then I need to copy that same circle. So I'll use the compass tool and go get the same radius and move that over here. And so then it makes it so I can put a line right here, and that forms the 90-degree angle that I need for a square, but I only have half of it. And so I need to make a couple more circles, and so I need to use the compass tool again and make a circle the same size as my first original circle. So I'll copy the radius, and then I'll take it up here, and right here you can see it's forming the 90-degree angle. And then I need to make another one over here, and I need to put it right there. And it puts a point right there on your graph to form your circle, or to help you form your square. And then you connect the lines, and now you have a square. So, again, my name's Esther Mosselman.